Hi, my name is Desi, and I'm here to let you know that Malace HR is hiring HVAC technicians all over the country. Candidates for this position must have 2 years minimum trade experience, an EPA universal license, and a valid state driver's license. This position comes with fully paid health insurance upon being hired by our client. The right candidate for this job will have the ability to operate a broad spectrum of tools and possesses knowledge of standard procedures of construction trades such as electrical, HVAC, plumbing, carpentry, and mechanical systems. If you think this is the right opportunity for you, visit malacehr.com to learn more and apply today. Or if someone you know might be a good fit for the role, go to malacehr.com to refer a friend today. We look forward to speaking with you.